Nikayla Mariah. So many things to say about her. I've been working with her probably about 8 months now. We started with some chakra challenging and moved into some inner child work, which I had absolutely no idea about. I have always been a positive person, but I just always still felt like there were some things that I needed to know, that I needed to deal with in order to move my life to the next level. Meeting Nikayla changed my life in more ways than I could even begin to count. She's just opened doors for me and helped me to face so many things that honestly I didn't even know were there. Her sense of love while being firm and no bullshit just is unbelievable. She's very direct and is so passionate about what she does that it literally, you can't help but want to do the work. You can't help but want to dive in and do even more. Shadow play came in. I had no idea what a shadow even was, but it was just like the opportunity to work with her even more, to dive even more into myself and figure even more things out, just was an opportunity I couldn't pass up. And I'm so glad that I did. I could work with her again and again and again and again, just because she's so real and is just so passionate about what she's doing and what she feels for people, like on the inside. Like that just doesn't happen overnight. You know, you meet people that want to help and want to do all those things, but to do them with the level of grace and compassion and fierceness that she does is out of this world. And any opportunity to work with her on any level should definitely be taken, because I can't thank her enough. And I love her, and I love the direction in which my life is finally starting to go.